Okay, this is my Visual Basic 6 tutorial. It is how to make a simple login page. Okay, the first thing you need is a button. Command 1. The command 1 should you call login. And so you need 2 text boxes. Oops, sorry. There. And then 2 labels. And the 2 labels, label 2 is password, and label 1 is where is user name. Text 1 and text 2, delete the text in those. What? That's better. Good. And you need form 2. And you don't need that anymore. Now press the codes in login button. Show the codes in login button and type if text 1 text. Remember, you have to make a punctum. Sorry for my bad English. This button, not this. Sorry for my bad English. I really speak Danish. I hate that. I almost forgot it's space and not enter. You should press right there. It should be this is the username. Hey. And text 2 dot text hey should be hello. Hey. Then MSG box, it's message box. It should be welcome. And form 1 hide and form 2 show. Oops. My mistake. Form 2 show. Else okay, this is what we have right now. The password and the username and the password, it's completely your choice what you want as your password and username. Else message box says wrong. Alright, this is the code. Oh, forgot. And if. Okay, this is the code. If text1 dot text is this one. Hey, if text1 dot text is hey, and text2 dot text is hello, then and that little one here is this one. Sorry, I can't so much English. Message box, it says welcome. Form 1. Hide. And form 2 show. Else message box wrong and if. This is the code, and now you can see it really works. Sorry for the camera shaking. I have nothing to hold it, so I must hold it with my first hand. Hey, and hello. Wrong? That's better. Welcome. And you see, form 2. I will type the code in the description.